Okay, so this is the distributive property and substitution homework. It says simplify using the distributive property, then evaluate each expression when x is 7 and y is 6. And we only have to pick 5 questions. So there's 8 on here, but you're only doing 5. So I'm going to show you the first one. When we distribute, we take that outside number and we multiply it times everything on the inside of the parentheses. So I'm going to show you the first one. I'm going to do 2 times x, which is 2x, and 2 times 6, which is 12. Got to remember to bring over the operation, and 2 times 6 is 12. Then I'm going to kind of split my box in half, because we need to prove that whether I substitute into the first expression or the new expression that I get the same answer. So if I substitute into the first expression, 2 times, in place of x, I'm putting a 7. And then I'm going to solve. Parentheses first tell me 13 times 2. 2 times 13 is 26. Now I've got to prove that if I do it over here, I get the same value. So in place of x, I'm going to put a 7. Bring down plus 12. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 12, and I also get 26. That shows that both expressions are equivalent to the same value. Let's see, I'm going to skip down. I think I'm going to try this one right here. So if I distribute 3 times 10, I'm going to get 30. Bring over my operation. 3 times 4x is 12x. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to split my box in half so that I can show when I substitute into both that I get the same value. So if I go to my first expression, 3 times the quantity, 10 plus 4 times, and I'm going to use 7 again for x. I got to do inside the parentheses first. So I have 3 times 10 plus 28. Bring that down. 10 plus 28 is 38. I don't really know 3 times 38, so I'm going to have to multiply that out going up and down. 38 times 3. Okay, 38 times 3 is 24. Carry the 2, 9, 10, 11. So that's 114. So I have to prove that the other side is 114. So I'll bring my 30 down, plus 12 times 7. Got to do multiplication first. Get 84 plus 30. And if I add those together, I get 114. So both of them equal the same. So that's what you're going to do. Make sure you show all of your work in your substitutions.